Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all those people who liked my previous videos and subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed as of yet, you can just go down and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified of my latest videos. So for today's video, my topic is the top 5 actors who died too soon. Let's start the list. Number 1 on my list is the great Philip Seymour Hoffman. One of my all-time favorite Hollywood actors. Philip Seymour Hoffman was known for his amazing versatility in playing almost any role you could think of, whether it was playing the homosexual writer Truman Capote in the movie Capote, or playing this priest accused of child abuse in Doubt, or playing this really influential cult leader in The Master, or playing a cruel arms dealer in Mission Impossible 3. There was no role that Philip Seymour Hoffman could not do. And it's a real shame that he died at the age of 45 due to a drug overdose. He was possibly one of the greatest actors the world ever produced. Number 2 on my list is the great Irfan Khan. Possibly the greatest actor, possibly the greatest Indian actor of all time. Irfan Khan died earlier last year after suffering a long time from cancer. Irfan Khan totally changed the way Indians looked at acting, bringing this strange, restrained acting performance to Bollywood. Whatever role he played, he was always in a restrained manner, in a muted fashion, which totally stole the hearts of everyone who watched his performances. Some of his best performances include that of a bandit in Pan Singh Tomar, or a gangster in Makbul, or sort of a comic role in Life in a Metro. He was truly one of the greatest actors of all time. Number 3 on my list is Bruce Lee. One of the most famous action stars of all time. Bruce Lee is best known for his amazing martial arts movies like Enter the Dragon, The Big Boss, and Fist of Fury. Unfortunately, he died at a very young age under mysterious circumstances. Bruce Lee was one of the greatest action stars of all time, and it's a shame that he died even before he was properly recognized for his talents. Number 4 on my list is none other than Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger, as we all know, is remembered for his iconic performance as the Joker in The Dark Knight, for which he won a posthumous Oscar. Even he died due to a drug overdose like Philip Seymour Hoffman. But what I feel bad about is that Heath Ledger is only remembered for his performance in The Dark Knight. But few people know that there are several other great Heath Ledger performances, like in the romantic comedy 10 Things I Hate About You, or the Oscar-winning drama Brokeback Mountain. So I think people have not really yet explored his full acting talents. Even after his death, they only know about his portrayal of the Joker, which is of course one of the greatest movie performances of all time. And finally, number 5 on my list is one of my personal favorite actors, John Cazale. John Cazale is the only actor in history to have appeared whose every film he has appeared in has been nominated for the Best Picture Oscar. He has some of his best roles include The Godfather, Deer Hunter, and Dog Day Afternoon. He was one of the most natural actors of all time, and he also had the talent of stealing the show from several great actors like Robert De Niro or Al Pacino or Marlon Brando. He completely stole the show from these actors. Unfortunately, he died due to lung cancer at the age of 40. But he will always be remembered as one of the greatest character actors of all time in Hollywood. Anyways guys, that was my list. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. You can also write down your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you, bye bye, and I'll meet you next week.